Hello guys, कैसे हैं आप सब?
So in the last video, since we have done already the basic setup for the TP-Link extender, now I'm going to cover in this video about the advanced security setting, right? So for that, we need to visit the extender website, and the website is tplinkrepeater.net. Hit enter. Alright. So again, it will ask the web page password which we created. Alright, so just enter the password, hit login. Alright, so we have already gone through about these subsections in the last video. I'll drop the video link in the description box. You can visit over there to find about the basic settings. Alright, so now we are for the advanced setup we need to visit over the settings. Alright, I'll navigate you over the settings. What are the things available here? Here are the host networks available in our range. If you want to connect any other device, you can just rescan or click over the network and it will ask you again the same password and the setup function. Alright, so I'm not going to switch over. Alright, so I'll just be back. Now, on visiting on the network section, we can define whether we want a static IP for the extender device or automatic IP, right? So I'm choosing this. You can choose whatever you want and you have to decide the IP address accordingly, alright? And the DHCP will be auto. That is the recommended, that should be, alright? So next, navigating over the advanced setting. So more often the time it happens that if you have given a password to one of your friend and the friend is again forwarding the same password to another one, alright, so that becomes a problem. So I'm going to tell you settings about the access control, that if you want to allow a single user with the password, he won't be able to share, or the other person won't be able to connect with your network, alright, without your permission. So I'm going to show you about that security. So just click over the access control. A web page will open within a few minutes. Okay, a new web page will open for access control. So just turn it on. Alright, and here we will get the option to increase the security for your Wi-Fi, extended Wi-Fi network. Alright, so here the thing is, you have two lists. One is the black list and another one is the white list. Alright, so in the blacklist section you will be able to see all the entries, all the devices which you have blocked. Alright, and in the whitelist you will able to see all devices which are permitted to access the network. Alright, so just click over the add option and here you will get the list of all devices, alright, which are currently connected to the network. Alright, so just select those devices which you want to blacklist, which you want to prohibit to access the network, alright, and select the devices and hit add. Alright, that's it. So those devices will be blacklisted for the network and they won't be able to access your network ever until and unless you whitelist them. Alright, or you have another option is that you can whitelist the devices which you want to provide the access. That this list will only provide you the option whosoever device is listed in the whitelist, they will be only able to access your network. Alright, so you can add from the list as well as you can add it manually using your device name and the MAC address, the physical address, and hit add. That's it. So this is how you can blacklist and whitelist devices. Alright, if you have any confusion, drop in the comment. I'll clear it out and hit save button. Alright, so this is all the advanced setting was about. So this is all. Alright, and just log it out. So this is all guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.